How to disable auto brightness permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to disable auto brightness permanently. Let's just get right into it. First thing first you need to do is simply swipe down on your notification panel until you find your notification bar. Right here on your brightness control, you should see another option. Basically, go ahead and long press on your brightness slider and you'll see the option called adaptive brightness. That is your auto brightness. Make sure you disable it and then tap on done. Now once that is done, you have successfully disabled the option for auto brightness. And that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.